All right, so here's a look at this bamboo cutting board set. You can see it's gonna come with 3 different sizes. You've got your small size. This one looks like a little different color because we just washed this, and this is the actual color that you're gonna see most of the time. But yeah, like I said, this one's kind of wet right now, so we just washed it. It's gonna come with this little display, which is nice because you're able to put your boards in here and actually display it in your kitchen. And it honestly just looks great because you're able to set this whole thing up in the kitchen, and it's gonna actually look like a piece. So let me go ahead and show you here. Honestly, this bamboo display looks good. You don't have to actually go and hide them away like other cutting boards. This is also a great alternative if you're looking for some cutting boards that are not going to be plastic, so that you can avoid having microplastics in your food and eating microplastics. There's also going to be like titanium ones or glass ones, but I just don't like the texture of the knife touching the titanium and stuff. So having a wooden one or a bamboo one is really nice. Now the design on this is good. You can see it's got like a crosshatch pattern. It's got wood that's going this way, then it has wood going this way. And I think this looks really good compared to some of the other plain basic bamboo ones, because they just look too boring and plain, and I like having these actually sit out on the countertop, and having this wood in here just kind of adds to the design of our kitchen. So I feel like this is a good touch. Now underneath here on the bottom, it's going to have these little handles, which are great. You can just grab and pick this up off of the countertop without having to slide it around. This is also going to come with little pieces right here that are like non-slip, so that you can keep it in one place so it doesn't move around. I don't really like using them personally. I just like having this because I slide this around on the countertop all the time. So I want it to be a little bit more mobile. And yeah, but if you're somebody who's going to keep it in one spot all the time and you don't want it to move, you can add those little rubber pieces that come in the package. All right, so let's go ahead and chop up some onions here. I like using, again, this small one for things like this. I feel like you don't get as big of a cut on here, which is nice because you're not actually cutting into the wood. This wood is very strong. It is bamboo, so when you're cutting down, compared to some of the other wooden cutting boards, you'll notice that this doesn't actually cut deep into here, and that really makes it nice to not have to actually clean this as much as you would another one. If I'm seeing deep cuts in my cutting board, I really want to make sure that I'm using something like a Scrub Daddy to really grind in there and clean out those crevices. But this is honestly way better than using plastic cutting boards. You're not going to get any microplastics because this is going to be all bamboo. Now for size reference, you can see what this looks like. You can see that this one is about the size of my arm with my fingers sticking up. You can see this one is probably from my elbow to the middle of my hand. And then this one is really tiny. So this is the one that we're probably going to use for things like garlic, chilies, anything that's really small cut on here. And it's nice that you have this full combo because you don't always want to take the big one out and have to wash it. It's nice having this little one where you can just easily pop it out, cut a few things, and rinse it off. So if you're looking for a really good bamboo cutting board set, something that looks good in the kitchen and is really high quality, heavy duty, then I would definitely recommend picking up this set.